Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur moving face using Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to add my video to the timeline. And for example guys, I'm going to blur this girl's face. If we want to blur a moving object, we need to use a motion tracking feature on Filmora. You can go to the video and then you can choose AI tools, and here you can activate motion tracking. Okay, like this, and then I'm going to place this box on the face we want to blur. All right, and once you're ready to activate the motion tracking or to start the motion tracking, you can click on this icon and then you're going to wait until 100%. Okay, it's almost done guys. All right, and then I'm going to go to the link element and then I'm going to select add a mosaic. Okay, then we can choose the blur. I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!